Κυρίες και κύριοι, kalispera! Today we have pita pizzas to make, quick and easy as you'll see. You're going to adore them. We're going to use my favorite toppings for pizza. Mozzarella cheese mixed with gouda. These are pita. They're great to make pizzas. Pizza sauce, olives, green and red peppers mixed, pepperoni, ham, bacon, fresh mushrooms, sausage, onions, rigani of course, and garlic powder. This is the pan that I use when I make my pita pizzas. I start by oiling the pan with olive oil and a paper towel. The reason I do this is because the olive oil gives the pitas a nice crunch at the bottom. Alright, let's start making pizzas. You're going to want the bumpy side of the pita down and the flat side up. We begin by adding pizza sauce on both pitas, and this pita sauce is from a can and it's actually quite good. After we add the sauce, we add the garlic powder. Now we add a good pinch of rigani on each pita. Next, the mozzarella and gouda mix, a nice handful on each pita. Now, for the first pita, what topping should we use? Pepperoni. Everyone loves pepperoni, so we'll make a pepperoni pizza. Now for the second pita. We'll use green and red peppers, onions, gives it a nice sweet taste, and let's add some bacon. Now that we're done with these two pita pizzas, we'll take them and place them on the pan. We always start off these pizzas the same way. Sauce, garlic powder, rigani, and a handful of cheese for each one. The great thing is, when you buy these pizzas, you buy them in a pack of 10. Which means you can make 10 pizzas with different toppings on each one. These are my favorite toppings that I'm using. Don't forget to use your favorite toppings. Now, for this pita pizza, let's make it with olives and fresh mushrooms only. Now for this one, we'll use some sausage, some ham, we'll put some bacon on as well, and make it sort of a meat lover's pizza. When it's time to put the pizzas in the oven, make sure the oven is preheated at 210 Celsius. They need around 9 to 10 minutes of baking time. Now after adding the bacon, these two pita pizzas are ready for the oven. The great thing about these pitas are that, like I said, there's 10 pitas in each pack. I'm using 8 pitas to show you 8 different pizzas. But there's so many pitas, when friends and family come over, you can make pita pizzas with their favorite toppings. On this pita, let's call it a vegetarian. Green peppers and red peppers, some olives, and some onions. On this one, let's do some bacon and some sausage. Now these two are ready for the oven as well. Unfortunately, I have one pan that fits 4 pitas at a time. If you have 2 pans that you could fit all the pitas on, that's great, use them. And for my last 2 pitas, I'm going to use for one of them bacon, ham, mushrooms. And for my last pita, I'm going to use olives, sausage, and pepperoni. And there you have it, my pita pizzas. As soon as I'm done placing the pepperoni on these pitas, put them on the pan with the others and toss them in the oven. Και καλή σας όρεξη!